Okay, hi everybody. So we're going to solve this inequality here that the absolute value of 2x minus 4 is going to be less than negative 5. And what that means is on our number line, after you've picked a value for x, I'm going to multiply it by 2, subtract 4, take the absolute value. I am looking for that to be less than 5, so that the less than negative 5, so that the distance from the origin is going to be less than negative 5. Now here's the problem, and hopefully you notice it right away. Um, because my absolute value always produces a positive result, it can't produce a result that's less than negative 5. So immediately, I don't know what to do with this, and I'm going to get there's no solution here. Okay? There is no solution to this. I cannot take the absolute value of something and get a result that's less than a negative. Now, let's just say, for argument's sake, that you didn't notice that. Okay? Just to show you what happens here. Let's say that that was not obvious to you. Well, what you probably would have done then is you'd have said, well, I'm looking for my value here to be, let's say, if I plug a negative in here, I'm going to take the negative 2x minus 4 is less than negative 5, or 2x minus 4 is less than negative 5. So you'd multiply the negative through, bring that 4 over, divide, and I would get x is greater than, because you switch the signs when you divide by negative, 9 halves. Or I'm going to get, sorry, I should have said or there. I really should have said and, because of the way this is set up here, because I'm looking for it to be less than, I need these both to be simultaneously true. So I'm going to add 4 to the other side here. It's going to get negative 1. So x will be less than negative 1 half. And so I'm looking for those values of x that are simultaneously, and again, that's because when I've got this less than negative 5 here, what I'm looking for is the numbers that are closer to the zero, um, closer to the zero than our outer boundaries here. But the results that I'm getting are x is either got to be greater than 9 halves or less than negative 1 half. Those cannot happen simultaneously. Okay, and because those cannot happen simultaneously, we are left with, again, no solution. And that's how you would answer that. But hopefully you would say that right off the bat that didn't make any sense.